AI in project management, transforming the future of work. The way that artificial intelligence, AI, is turning workflows across industries is not unique to project management.
Before we start moving forward, make sure to subscribe channel and click on the bell icon. SprintSeal provides training programs, certification programs on their websites. If you're interested in them, do check out the links in the description.
Artificial intelligence-based solutions are helping to manage the growing requirements of managing stakeholder expectations, risks, timetables, and funds. AI in project management makes sure clarity, improves performance, and creates an opportunity for more expert decision-making. This blog focuses on how artificial intelligence, AI, is turning project management, the systems that are making this possible, and the long-term benefits that companies can earn from applying AI-based solutions. Understanding AI in project management. AI in project management refers to the use of intelligent technologies to improve project planning, execution, and delivery. AI automates tedious tasks, makes projects easier and more effective, and offers predictive capabilities. Main advantages: task automation. AI frees up staff members to make strategic choices by streamlining repetitive tasks like scheduling and data entry. Predictive analytics. Good algorithms predict limited resources, project delays, and risks. Better decision-making. AI helps project managers make intelligent choices by providing useful information that results from real-time data analysis. Why AI matters? As businesses grow and projects become more complex, traditional project management methods struggle to keep pace. AI fills this gap by offering tools that can adapt to dynamic project environments and provide scalability. AI-powered tools transforming project management. The availability of AI-powered tools has revolutionized project management. Here's a look at some popular tools and their features. Asana, AI-enhanced task management. AI integration helps prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and automate routine updates. Jira, predictive analytics. Tracks project progress and predicts potential bottlenecks, ensuring timelines are met. Monday.com, resource optimization. AI helps allocate resources effectively by analyzing usage patterns. Microsoft Project, real-time insights. Provides dynamic insights into project performance and resource utilization. Trello, AI for workflow management. Enhances team collaboration and offers suggestions to streamline workflows. Emerging technologies. To improve communication, solve problems, and help in decision-making, project management tools are increasingly putting AI-based virtual assistants like ChatGPT. AI's contribution to better task management. Successful project execution relies mostly on task management, and artificial intelligence, AI, in project management has changed the way tasks are completed. AI promises that projects stay on course, resources are suited, and teams stay consistent by fusing real-time data processing with AI technology. 1. Smart scheduling. AI-driven scheduling tools like Microsoft Project and Smartsheet analyze project timelines, resource availability, and workload distribution to create efficient schedules. These tools adapt dynamically, adjusting timelines based on unforeseen changes like resource availability or project delays. For instance, AI can reassign tasks to available team members if someone calls in sick, ensuring no bottlenecks occur. Resource utilization. AI systems such as Monday.com and Asana help project managers maximize resource efficiency by analyzing historical data to predict future resource needs, identifying underutilized or overburdened resources and redistributing workloads accordingly, suggesting optimal staffing levels for different project phases. For example, AI can recommend scaling down team involvement during slower project phases and ramping up during critical milestones, saving time and costs.
If you found this video informative and useful, we'll always bring new concepts explained for you, so stay tuned with SprintSeal, and if you like the video, do share. If have any doubts or queries, do let us know in the comment section. Use the coupon code YouTube10 in our website to get 10% off on all our courses.